2 weeks ago, I was doing this at 26 minutes, and I've shaved 10 minutes off, and I'm doing the same amount of reps. It is day 15 of working on our VO2 max and getting better cardio fitness. And let me tell you, it is working. Today, we are doing a max of 5 breaths plus -5 on the bottom. If you don't get that, go to my last video. This challenge is also a math challenge if you didn't know. All right, friends, let's get started. Halfway, 177 heart rate. Finished under 17 minutes, let's go! Did I skip a number, or was that just really efficient? I don't even know. I kind of blacked out for a little bit of it. My max heart rate was 177. It's so crazy to think that 2 weeks ago, I was doing this at 26 minutes, and I've shaved 10 minutes off, and I'm doing the same amount of reps. Like, psh, it's so crazy how much this is working. Baby, we about to run a marathon. I know it's not that easy, y'all. Marathon runners don't come for me. I know, I'm just kidding. What are we doing next, y'all? Because I'm already looking to the next thing. We crushed this one. All right, fam, I will see you at the next workout. I made an 8-week guide if you're serious about increasing your VO2 max. Check the link in my bio.